Do an internet search for ways to earn legitimate cash fast, and you'll be faced with a dizzying list of hundreds of options. When you need money fast, you don't have time to wait for a second job's paycheck or to start a new venture. Here's my list of 10 smart ways to make money fast that are completely legitimate and diverse enough that you'll likely find something that can work for you. But before we get into the meat and potatoes of the video, I have a little surprise for you. Stick around until the end, and I'll be sharing something that has the potential to change your life. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the 10 smart ways to make money fast. 1. Sell something on eBay or Etsy. This isn't as nebulous as it sounds at first. Every day, people list and sell their new or used items on eBay for nearly immediate cash, and so can you. From gently used scrubs to puzzles and everything in between, eBay is a great way to generate quick cash. You may not land a sale for a single cornflake in the shape of Illinois that already sold for $1,350 a few years back, but chances are good that you'll be able to generate quick cash just from things you have around your house. 2. Temp jobs. In just about every community in the nation, there are temp agencies that are always scrambling for people willing to take short-term or temporary work assignments. This is a great way to generate legit cash quick without spending days and weeks in a job hunt. 3. Check out job boards on social media. Social media is about more than just making social connections. It can also be a great way to find quick employment. Check out Facebook jobs groups in your city, where you can get hired almost immediately for things like yard work and childcare. If you're wise and ask for references so you can check out the person hiring, this is a great way to earn money fast. 4. Make something. Just about everyone has a talent for making something that can be turned into cash. From simple soap making to furniture making, with just a little work you can have a steady supply of homemade items to sell on sites such as eBay, Craigslist, or at a community sale. 5. Smart yard sales. No list of ways to earn quick cash would be complete without mention of yard sales. But there are smarter ways to use yard sales to help reduce frustration and increase the cash in your pocket. Whether you want to turn old fishing poles into cash or need to clean out the kids' closets, joining together with other families to make a larger, well-advertised sale event will help attract more potential buyers. 6. Freelancing. Everyone got started somewhere, right? If you have skills and an itch to test the freelance waters, check out sites such as Upwork.com or Guru. The key to keeping it legit is to only use freelancing sites that offer integrated payment collection, so you're not left having to chase down customers who owe you money. 7. Rent out your stuff. From camping equipment to prom dresses, renting out what you have to others willing to pay for it is a great way to generate quick cash. Use free sites like Craigslist or subscription sites like Loanables to get the word out. 8. Rent out your space. This is an often overlooked, smart way you can earn legitimate money. From renting out a room to renting out storage space in your garage or even a parking space, this is a fabulous way to put cash in your pocket. 9. Get your name out there. You can use sites like Zaarly to let people know you're available for work. From dog walking to house cleaning, construction work to yard work, by getting your name out there, you'll stand a good chance of finding quick cash. 10. Be proactive. Take a look at your neighborhood and the businesses close to you. Let everyone know you're looking for smart ways to generate money and be persistent. By being proactive and making connections, you'll find legitimate money-making opportunities that you might otherwise miss. If you're looking for smart ways to earn money fast, this list will get you started. Be smart by staying away from places that ask you to pay money to make money. Be willing to start small and build up your experience. Then, be proactive and persistent. Whether you have an unexpected expense or simply want to generate a little fun money, you'll be well on your way to finding what you need. And before I go, I want to remind you that this is a personal recommendation that I truly believe in. If you found any of these ideas useful, then this course is definitely for you. It's called Your Successful Online Business, and it's a bundle of 3 ebooks that make up what I like to call the blueprint to your first $1,000 online business. It covers everything from how to design your website to attract the right customers, to how to make high-ticket sales, and even how to start passive income businesses. The ebooks included in this bundle are Your First $1,000 Online Business, High-Ticket Sales Secrets, and Passive Income Businesses. With this course, you'll learn how to sell high-ticket products and services, how to choose the right online partners, and how to establish yourself as an expert in your specific industry. And the best part is that it's very affordable. So, before I end this video, I want to remind you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'll be uploading daily videos about business and money-making ideas, and I'm sure you'll get something valuable from this channel that will help you achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to check the link in the description. It's a unique opportunity that you can't miss. Thanks for watching.